There is nothing worse than looking at your beautiful pool but being too afraid to jump in because the water is freezing. You want to swim year-round, not just for 2 months in the summer. But picking a heater is tricky. Some are loud, some eat electricity, and some just don't work. I bought and tested the top 5 electric pool heaters to see which ones actually warm the water without bankrupting you. Let's find out which one fits your pool. Product number 1, WOPOLTOP 100,000 BTU heat pump. I started with the heavyweight, the WOPOLTOP 100,000 BTU unit. When I unboxed this, the first thing I noticed was the high-quality ABS casing. It feels rugged, like it can handle rain and sun without rusting out in a year. This is a monster for larger pools, handling up to 26,000 gallons. During testing, the full DC inverter was a huge plus. It doesn't just blast at 100% power constantly, it throttles down to save energy once the water is warm. I also loved the Wi-Fi control. I could adjust the temp from my phone before I even got home. Surprisingly for its size, it ran really quiet, hovering around 50 decibels due to the sound insulation pads. If you have a big in-ground pool and want serious power with smart features that won't wake the neighbors, this is your best bet. Product number 2, Aquastrong 75,000 BTU inverter. Then I hooked up the Aquastrong 75,000 BTU heater. This one feels very similar in build quality to the WOPOLTOP, but is sized for pools up to 21,000 gallons. What stood out to me here was the efficiency. It heated my test pool in just a few hours. The app control is super intuitive, letting me schedule heating times so the pool was ready for my morning swim. It also has an auto-defrost feature, so if you live somewhere with chilly mornings, it won't freeze up and stop working. If you need a reliable heater for a mid to large family pool that won't kill your wallet on monthly bills, this is the one. Product number 3, Aquastrong 55,000 BTU inverter. For slightly smaller setups, I tried the Aquastrong 55,000 BTU model. It looks almost identical to the previous one but is tuned for pools around 16,000 gallons. When I was setting it up, I appreciated that it came with multiple connection adapters, making it easy to fit into my existing plumbing without a massive trip to the hardware store. The noise level was impressively low, about 50 decibels, which is basically a quiet conversation. I sat right next to it while reading and it wasn't annoying at all. It cools effectively too, which feels weird to say, but in the dead of summer, bringing the temp down a few degrees is refreshing. If you have a standard residential pool and want that perfect balance of power and silence, grab this one. Product number 4, Aquastrong 35,000 BTU 120V. If you don't have a 220-volt outlet handy, I tested the Aquastrong 35,000 BTU version next. This runs on standard 120-volt power, which makes it much easier for average homeowners to install without calling an electrician. It's designed for pools up to 9,000 gallons, making it perfect for larger above-ground setups. Despite the lower voltage, I noticed it still heated the water surprisingly fast because of that same inverter tech used in the big boys. It's extremely quiet at just 48 decibels. I used the app to track the temperature while I was at work, and it held steady. It's built to run in the autumn chill and spring mornings. If you have a smaller pool and don't want to pay to rewire your backyard, this 120-volt option is a total lifesaver that is easy to assemble. Product number 5, TURBRO 18,000 BTU heater. Finally, I checked out the TURBRO 18,000 BTU heater. This is the smallest unit I tested, designed for pools under 6,000 gallons or spas. I loved how portable it felt. I could easily move it to a frame pool or an inflatable spa. It uses a titanium heat exchanger, which means it's safe for saltwater pools, a feature I didn't see on some cheaper models. Setup was the easiest of the bunch. Just connect the hoses, plug it into a standard outlet, and you're good. It's not instant heat, it takes a couple of days to reach temp, but once it's there, it maintains it well. It even has an auto shutoff if things go wrong. If you have a small kiddie pool, a splash pool, or a spa and just need to take the chill off, this is the most cost-effective choice. Whether you have a massive in-ground pool or a temporary inflatable one, heating it extends your swim season by months. I've put links to all these heaters in the description below so you can check the exact specs and current prices. Thanks for watching and enjoy your warm swim.